Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how data analysis is applied in the real world. Data analysis helps organizations across different industries make informed decisions and solve complex problems. Let's look at some concrete examples. First, let's talk about healthcare. Data analysis in healthcare is used to improve patient outcomes, optimize operations, and manage costs. For example, predictive analytics can help identify patients at risk of developing chronic conditions, enabling early intervention and personalized treatment plans. In finance, data analysis is crucial for risk management, investment strategies, and fraud detection. Financial institutions use data analysis to assess credit risk, detect suspicious transactions, and forecast market trends. For instance, algorithmic trading relies on data analysis to execute trades at optimal times. Marketing is another area where data analysis plays a significant role. Marketers use data to understand consumer behavior, segment audiences, and measure campaign effectiveness. For example, data-driven insights can help tailor marketing messages to specific customer segments, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Supply chain management benefits immensely from data analysis. It helps in optimizing logistics, managing inventory, and reducing costs. By analyzing demand patterns and inventory levels, companies can ensure timely restocking and minimize excess inventory, leading to more efficient operations. In sports, data analysis is used to enhance performance and strategy. Teams analyze player statistics, game footage, and opponent strategies to make data-driven decisions. For example, wearable technology collects data on player movements and physical conditions, helping coaches tailor training programs and game strategies. Lastly, in environmental science, data analysis helps monitor climate change, track wildlife populations, and manage natural resources. Researchers use data from satellites, sensors, and field observations to study environmental patterns and make conservation decisions. For instance, data analysis can help predict natural disasters and plan mitigation strategies. These examples show how data analysis is transforming various industries, making it a powerful tool for decision-making and problem-solving. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore future trends in data analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification